दर्शनकारणोत्तोषायि गर्वदोषायि च पयाधिशायि शेषंश्च जशांश्च कलाश नित्यानन्दखर राम शरणं ममस्तु। May Sri Nityananda Ram be the object of my constant remembrance. Shankarshan, Sheshanaga and Vishnu, who lie on the Karana ocean, Garva ocean and ocean of milk, are his plenary portions and the portions of his plenary portions.
500 years ago, when Lord Krishna appeared in Navadip as Lord Chaitanya, Balram appeared with him as Lord Nityananda. He took birth in Ekachakra, a small village in present-day Birbhum district, West Bengal, in the year 1473. His father, Horai Pandit, and mother Padmavati were pious Brahmins originally from Mithila. Nityananda Prabhu was born on the auspicious 13th day Trayodashi of the bright fortnight Shukla Pokho of the month of Magha. As a child, Nityananda Prabhu loved to enact pastimes from Bhagavata and Ramayana. He so excelled at playing Lakshmana or Balram that the audience began to suspect him to be an incarnation. When he was 13, a travelling sannyasi visited the Lord's parents and requested them to send Nitai with him as a travelling companion. His parents, committed to the Vedic culture, were unable to decline his request and reluctantly agreed to send Nitai. The two then went on a pilgrimage to all the holy places in both northern and southern India, much like Lord Balram had done 5,000 years ago. When Lord Nityananda arrived at Nadia, West Bengal, he met Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for the first time. It was at the home of Nandan Acharya, a great devotee of Lord Chaitanya. Nityananda Prabhu was 32 then. It was here that they together commenced the onerous work of establishing the Sankirtan movement for the benefit of people in the Kali Yuga. Practically, we all are of the quality of Jagai and Madhai. We all want to get relieved from the reactions of our misdeeds. Then we must take the shelter of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. However, Mahaprabhu cannot be approached directly without the guidance of a Guru. Balram is the fountainhead of Guru Tattva, and he appeared as Nityananda. Therefore, we need to take shelter of Nityananda Prabhu. Only through his mercy we shall get the spiritual strength to understand and approach Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Sri Krishna himself.
नाचे रे निताई गौरदी जो मोनिया नाचे रे निताई गौरदी जो मोनिया बाबे प्रिय गदा धरो श्रीबासो हई तो बड़ो बाबे प्रिय गदा धरो श्रीबासो
Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhaktavrinda. All glories to Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all glories to Lord Nityananda, all glories to Advaita Acharya, and all glories to all the devotees of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Shri Krishna Navadvipe Shri Chaitanya Chandra Shri Balarama Sange Shri Nityananda. That original Lord Krishna appeared in Navadvipa as Lord Chaitanya, and Balaram appeared with him as Lord Nityananda. Shrishta Dika Shiva Tara Pala Shesha Rupe Kore Krishner Vivido Sheva. He executes the orders of Lord Krishna in the work of creation and in the form of Lord Shesha. He serves Krishna in various ways. Sarva Rupe Asha Daye Krishna Shevananda Shei Bolo Rama Gauro Sange Nityananda. In all the forms, he tastes the transcendental bliss of serving Krishna. That same Balaram is Lord Nityananda, the companion of Lord Gaurasundar. Sarvashraye Sarvadbhuta Oishwarjo Apar Ananta Kohite Nare Mohima Jar. He, Sankarshan, is the shelter of everything. He is wonderful in every respect, and his opulences are infinite. Even Ananta cannot describe his glory. Turiyo Bishuddha Satya Sankarsana Nam Tiho Jar Angsha Shri Nityananda Ram. That Sankarsana, who is transcendental pure goodness, is a partial expansion of Nityananda Balarama. Jashang Shang Shangsha Paratmakhilanam Posta Vishnur Bharti Dugdhakti Shai Khoni Bharta Jatkala Shopannantastam Shri Nityananda Ramang Prapadde. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the feet of Sri Nityananda Rama, whose secondary part is the Vishnu lying in the ocean of milk. That Kshirodakshai Vishnu is the super soul of all living entities and the maintainer of all the universes. Sheshanaga is his further subpart.
Sei Rupa Nityananda Ananta Prakash Sei Bhabe Kahe Muni Chaitanya Das. Thus Lord Nityananda has unlimited incarnations. In transcendental emotion, he calls himself a servant of Lord Chaitanya. Ananda Swarup Purve Haya Lakshaman Lagu Bhrata Haya Kare Ramera Sevan. Lord Nityananda Swarupa formally appeared as Lakshmana and served Lord Ramachandra as his younger brother. Chaitanya Se Krishna Nityananda Ram Nityananda Purna Kare Chaitanya Rakam. Lord Chaitanya is the same Lord Krishna and Lord Nityananda is Lord Balram. Lord Nityananda fulfills all of Lord Chaitanya's desires. Nityananda Mahima Sindhu Ananta Apar Eka Kana Sparshi Matra Se Kripa Tahar. The ocean of Lord Nityananda's glories is infinite and unfathomable. Only by his mercy can I touch even a drop of it. Jaya Jaya Nityananda Jaya Kripa Mae Yaha Hate Paino Rupa Sanatana Shrai. all glory to the merciful Lord Nityananda, by whose mercy I have attained shelter at the lotus feet of Sri Rupa and Sri Sanatana. हत्य पायनो रघुनाथ महाशय, यहाँ हत्य पायनो श्री स्वरूपाश्रय.
By his mercy, I have attained the shelter of the great personality, Sri Raghunatha Das Goswami, and by his mercy, I have found the refuge of Sri Sharup Damodara.
जय नित्यानंद चरणारविंद, याना होते पायनो श्री राधा गोविंदा. All glory to the lotus feet of Lord Nityananda, by whose mercy I have attained Sri Radha Govinda.
প্রেমে মত্ত নিত্যানন্দ কৃপা অবতার, উত্তম অধম কিছু না করে বিচার. He is intoxicated by ecstatic love and is an incarnation of mercy. He does not distinguish between the good and the bad.
যে আগে পরয়ে তারে করয়ে নিস্তার, অতএব নিস্তারিলা মোহেন দুরাচার. He delivers all those who fall down before him. Therefore, he has delivered such a sinful and fallen person as me. Jaro prano dhano nityanando Shri Chaitanya, Radha Krishna bhakti bina nahi jane anno. Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda are the life and soul of those Vaishnavas who do not know anything but devotional service to Sri Sri Radha Krishna. সে বৈষ্ণবের পদ রেণু তার পদ ছায়া, অধমেরে দিল প্রভু নিত্যানন্দ দয়া. The dust and shade of the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas have been granted to this fallen soul by the mercy of Lord Nityananda. Nityananda Prabhur Guna Mahima Apar, Sahasra Badone Shesho Nahi Paye Jar. The glories of Lord Nityananda's transcendental attributes are unfathomable. Even Lord Shesha, with his thousands of mouths, cannot find their limit.
Lord Nityananda was an ocean of compassion and mercy to the extremely fallen souls of Kali Yuga. He delivered the degraded brothers Jagai and Magai, who were debauchees of the worst type. They were not just drunkards but also meat eaters, woman hunters, dacoits, and sinners of all description. He thought that if he could bring these fallen souls to the path of pure devotion, people would develop a strong faith in the movement of Lord Chaitanya. He humbly requested Jagai and Madhai to give up their wicked ways and chant Hare Krishna. The two brothers became furious and Madhai threw a piece of broken earthen pot at him. Lord Nityananda was hit on the forehead and began to bleed. Undaunted by this manic aggression, the Lord continued to plead with them to chant. When Lord Chaitanya heard of this incident, he instantly appeared there in a great anger and invoked his Sudarshana Chakra to kill the two rascals. Lord Nityananda begged for Lord clemency, reminding him that in this incarnation he would not take up weapons against the demons.
The Lord left them only on the condition that the two brothers would eschew their sinful ways and absorb themselves in devotional service by chanting Hare Krishna. The frightened brothers pleaded for the Lord's mercy and surrendered to him. Thus, it was by the unfathomable mercy of Lord Nityananda that two demons took shelter of Lord Chaitanya and became pure devotees. After the incident, thousands of people came into the fold of Lord Chaitanya's Sankirtana movement.
Gaura